Welcome friends. In this video we will see how to create frames. Frame page is a made up of multiple HTML document. It describes how to divide our page into multiple frames. So we will see how to divide our page in multiple documents. So we have created one page called link.html in which we have defined certain links. For example, for chapter 2 we are redirecting this page to character formatting.html and likewise for chapter 5 and chapter 8. So we will save this page using link.html. Now let's describe the division of page by using frame tag or frame set tag. So open new file. First write HTML structure. Now we have written the structure of the HTML document. To write the division of our web browser page, we have to write frame set tag and which is written before the body tag. So write frame set tag. Now how you want to divide your page and how much space you want to give to each section. For that calls attribute is used. I want to divide this window by 30% and 70%. So write 30 and 70. Save this document using fr.html. Now complete the frame set tag. In frame set, now you have to define what kind of contents each section will be display. So for that frame tag is used. In frame tag you have to supply source. Source contains the page which you want to display in particular section. In first section I want to display link.html. After giving the source you have to also pass name. I want to give name to left pen. Now complete the frame tag. Similarly, I have also created one more section. For that we have to also supply source. Currently I am giving name doc.html and complete frame tag. We haven't created doc.html, so let's first create doc.html. Now we have created doc.html in which we have just displayed hello this is frame in h1 tag. Now what to do? Now go to the link.html page and in each link you have to type target is equal to r underscore pen. What will target attribute will do? Target attribute will pass or redirect this page and display this page in rpen, means in doc.html page. So when you click on the chapter 4, this page will be displayed in right section. So write target is equal to rpen in each link and save this. Now let's see the output. Open the fr.html. You can see doc.html is this. Hello, this is a frame. This is the link.html which is displayed in left side of the frame and this is the right side of frame. Now let's click on the chapter 4. We can see when click on the chapter 4 that chapter 4.html is displayed in right side of the frame. So this is how we can use frame for division of the page. We can see when you click on chapter 5, chapter 8, particular content is displayed in right side of the page. So this is about frames. Thank you.